One of the biggest frustrations a project executive faces is getting good project, program, and resource information to help make decisions. Power BI and Microsoft Project to solve this problem. Western Principles can help you get started. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get notifications about new content. If you're watching on LinkedIn, please like, comment, or share. Power BI has an out-of-the-box content pack which provides you instant access to a bunch of important project and portfolio management information. These dashboards provide portfolio and program information you can drill into with filters. The dashboards are well designed to help a program executive quickly target potential problems and take actions to get them fixed. There are also cost reports, program reports in a high-level Gantt-like format, and more. For resources, the Power BI Content Pack for Microsoft Project has rich resource reports that quickly help you spot over and under allocation of your team. A PMO director might use this type of report to quickly spot problems where resources aren't being used well and drop down to the resource assignments dashboard to start to fix the problem. Dropping down one level, Power BI also has great dashboards for the project manager. Project reports can be created automatically from the simple roll-up from the real-time information in Microsoft Project. This includes progress, forecast, and cost information, as well as risks and issues. This saves the PM and the project management office valuable time in creating and reviewing reports. You may find that you have other reporting and information needs. Western Principles has deep Power BI skills, and we can help you bring together data from diverse systems or display information in creative ways to help your data tell the full story, and to help you drive business decisions. Western Principles is a Microsoft Gold project and portfolio management partner. We know Microsoft Project and Power BI and can help you with all aspects of your project and portfolio management system, including your reporting and dashboards. Let's get started together. Visit us on the web, call us at 1-800-578-4155, or email us at info@westernprinciples.com. We look forward to helping you.